It's my job to make you a billionaire. That's what I've set out to do. And I'm going to do that by teaching you how to build a $1 billion Roth IRA over the next 20 years, just by putting aside $6,000 a year into the right stocks. Now, how am I going to do that? Am I going to pick the stocks? No, Samantha's going to pick the stocks. Samantha is my AI factory. That's a computer I'm going to buy from Dell that's going to be armed with GPUs from NVIDIA, and I'm going to ask it to go into the internet every day and find me those startup companies that are going to change our world, particularly in the AI, the quantum computing, the solar energy, all the fields that are going to be a part of our world over the next 20 years and that are going to make you a billionaire. Now, I'm going to do that by sharing this information with you on my YouTube channel. That's Best of Us Investors. All you've got to do is make the trip to YouTube and Best of Us Investors, and I'll do the rest.